Okay, well, we're going to sow some pak choi. Now, pak choi is a lovely little brassica that's got very sort of chunky stems that are ideal chopped up and put into stir fries, or you can actually sort of use the leaves in cooking. You can also harvest it when it's very small as little baby leaves, so that's ideal for salads. So it's a very versatile vegetable. You can sow it direct in the ground from sort of May onwards. But if you find you have problems with pigeons or other pests, you can sometimes, it helps to sow it into cell trays first. So it's quite good using a cell tray, sort of this size cells. You just need a little bit of compost. Let's put those down there. Just a general multi-purpose compost is fine. There we go. Just a little bit like this, sprinkle it in. Don't compact it too much, just let it fall into the cells, smooth it over, just a little, gently, lightly push the cells in, a little bit more over the top. And then the seed is quite small. Now what you can do is, just to make sure you get an even germination, is put a couple of seeds per cell. And you literally just drop them, a couple of seeds on to each cell. And what you can do is, when they germinate, which will take about 14 to 21 days, you can either sort of pull one of them out if there's two growing in a cell and just add those to a salad, and let the other one grow on like so. And then what you do is, literally, I tend to just push them down a little bit. You can then either sprinkle a little bit of vermiculite or perlite over the top, or just a very fine sprinkling of compost. You literally just want to cover the seed. That's all you want. And then obviously reuse a label. It's pak choi. So give it a good water. This time of year, sort of early summer, you can actually just put them outside in a sheltered spot, or you could just put them in a cold frame, or you could put them on a greenhouse bench. And then once they're sort of an inch high or so, just a little bit bigger, you can then pop out the plugs and plant them straight in the ground and let them grow on. Want to be about 25 centimetres apart if you want to grow them onto maturity. When you're growing them onto maturity, then you're just harvesting the leaves and chopping them up for stir fries. You can get green, or you can get the red leaved version, so there's a nice variation in colours as well. So that's sowing pak choi.